guys, my name is Magical Matia, and we're gonna be reviewing a new toy today. We're gonna get to it straight. My phone is sorry, guys. We have a few technical difficulties, so could you please stay here and wait for a little while as Matia prepares. So we're gonna get back, and every like now and then I will look at my phone to see when it comes alive. So I just press on this button. It shows me if it's gonna turn on, and so I want to show you something. It's right over here. Oh, yeah, right here. I use lights. I need to switch on as many lights as I can to make this video as good as possible. So, yeah, let's get to it. This is Pineapple Lily's VIP card. Can I see? Okay, Pineapple Lily, you're so beautiful. Oh, thank you.
Hello, Pineapple.
We need to get you out.
Ooh,
So let's see.
your
We got a
car.
snippy part over here. Let's see.
I like your
Scissors.
car.
Let's do this.
I like your car. Can I have it? Yay.
Scissors.
Start. Ooh, start.
Now to get you out. See, you're in the way. I want to see the action. So I got out one piece of her hair over here. So here's what it is. It's a plastic piece here. Now her hair is free. Yay! Look, Pineapple Lily's hair is all free. Yay! Okay. The video, but if you want to be in the video, you have to be very respectful for me. Okay, Pineapple Lily, got you out. Look, Pineapple Lily's stepping in. Okay, guys, we got Pineapple Lily out of that stupid little box. Hey, don't call that box stupid. And her shoes are right over here. We have to take them off during the opening of Pineapple Lily. So, yeah, look how beautiful she is. She's like a star. It's midnight. Yeah, that's what she is. So, for a second now, I'm gonna open up I'm gonna fix up her headband.
What does she want to be?
Okay, so, and then, yeah. Hey, you're not allowed to talk in a video, that's what I said. I said no talking, you cannot even whisper.
I just wanted to say thanks. I'm glad you came along, partner. I want to sing a song just for you, 'cause you're my special friend.
Guys, so we got Pineapple Lily out of the box. I'm finally so ready to be free, guys. Yeah. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line. Everyone's watching. You know it's
sure this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you gotta believe it. When you forget
I didn't get to find the Shopee stand. Yeah, I know her donuts are so good. Did he ever try it? Oh, I didn't. But did he watch Star Wars? Oh yes, I did. It's one of my favorite movies. Oh, hi Donatina. Hi Puppet. Oh, what's this? Ooh, is that a camera? Hey, it's a video. Am I pretty? Yeah, you're super pretty. Yes, I know, Donatina. Excuse me. Oh, yeah. Do you might know where the Shopee stands are? Oh yes, they're in the corner over there. You first go right, then left, then right, then left. You'll find a basket of Shopee stands. Okay, I'll come back with it.
Sorry guys, I could not find any Shopee stands. Looks like the Shopee stands here took all of them.
Hey, where are my accessories? Where are my BFFs? Oh my gosh, we need to get them out, Buttia. Yes, you're right. We need to get your BFFs out. Out! We need to. Come on, let's get them out. So, this is what we have right here. Mr. Snips. What? We need help opening this. Oh, you can open that with your hands. Super easy. Let me show you. Okay. So, this is Penelope Crush. This is Pretty Pink Grapefruit. This is Pineapple Lily's hairbrush. Bing. Oh, hi! Camera. Ooh, looks like Matcha got out my accessories. Look at that, and my BFFs, and my accessories. Yeah, this is so soothing.
Where are you now? Where are you now that I need you? Couldn't find you anywhere.
My shoe fell off.
When you broke down, didn't leave you. I was by your side. So where are you now that I need you?
Ooh, what's this? Meow.
Where are you now that I need
Okay, let's get opening the truck, of course. Yeah, let's get opening the truck. Like we're gonna do this the hard way. Off screen. Vroom. We got the truck out the hard way. And all we have left is this humongous thingy over here. So looks like you truck needs to be in the background. Well, this thing needs to stand up and display. So we got 2 more things left. The little glitter Shopkins pack and the chairs. So all we need is come out, Shopkins. So we got our glitter Shopkins. Oh, you guys fell out. Here we go. These are exclusives. Well, I guess they are. They're glittery. So this one is supposed to be very smooth. Hello there, very smooth. Set you up right there, and this one is Jack and or something like that. If I mispronounce that name, just tell me in the comments below. Yeah. Here we go. So we got our BFFs out. Yay! All we need to do is take out the chairs. Boing. Boing. Today, we just opened up Pineapple Lily's truck. And coming with Pineapple Lily. Bing. Wee. Boing bum bum.